Hello, my gorgeous humans on the interwebs. It's Jerremy Alexander Newsome with reallifetrading.com, and we have another incredibly strong bullish day. We're up 4.2% on the day, and it's an inside day candle. Oh, I love it. I love seeing bears get torched in strong bullish trends. Just makes me so happy. Anyway, interesting to see what happens, but obviously we just trade down to the 100 simple moving average on a weekly chart, and we're working on bouncing. Now, again, as I've mentioned in the past, I still think we can have another rollover, some sort of low where we trade up into, 324, and then maybe we come back to 295, something like that. But most of you who've been following me know that I've been selling a lot of 250 puts on the SPY because there was tons and tons of premium down there at 250. Really great stuff, but been able to buy and sell puts at the really good price. The same thing with the Qs. Got a lot of put sales on the Qs. Love today's candle. Interesting to see what happens. Just be cognizant of the fact that this market is made to trap people. For example, if we trade up to here on the Qs in the next 2-3 days, don't go long up there. Because at that point, we'll be up like 7% from yesterday's low, yesterday being Tuesday. So if you go long at like 223 on the Qs, it's already up 7%. Like you're going to be chasing. It's going to be just prime for a trap. So just be cognizant of that fact. If you're getting in on something, you want to get in as low as possible, sell as high as possible, right? And you want to day trade. This market is going to be phenomenal for day trading and really, really good for volatility sales. Speaking of volatility sales, got some on Tesla. We got an inside day candle today. Got some 950 call sales up here for March. Got some 450 put sales down here also for March. And right now, Tesla closed at 750. So we got $200 on the upside, got $300 on the downside, a cushion. So realistically, as long as Tesla just kind of hangs out and doesn't do anything too bullish, should be fine on this one. Although it could. If we close above 812, I could definitely see some bulls coming into play on Tesla. But for the most part, I'm just kind of expecting some sideways movement and some slowdown. Here's a trade that we're in on a swing trade, PDCO, Patterson Companies. Just a beautiful hammer. What day was that, Monday? Really good hammer candle. We triggered in the day before yesterday. It retested yesterday and then kind of slowly continuing higher today on PDCO. So we got that one. Had a lot of traders request Facebook today. Ticker symbol FB. And I do like Facebook long term. Again, they have zero China exposure. And, it's just kind of hanging out, right? We're up 2.7%. Again, a lot of option sellers are going to have a blast here in March. Volatility is here. You had a massive week last week. We still have an inside week this week. And bottom line, next week, we can easily go higher. So I don't want you to think that we can't go higher out there in the market. We can. I think we will. Again, the broader market to me just looks very similar to the 2008 January, February type of structure. Here's Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. Nvidia also up huge, up 7% today. This is the weekly chart. So the weekly chart on Nvidia is already closing above last week's high. That is a big, big deal to keep in mind. The daily time frame, strong close on Nvidia. Really, really strong close. So we closed today above this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle. So some type of pullback on Nvidia is absolutely viable. This is a megalithic strong signal to me that says, hey, again, as I've been saying this entire time, the coronavirus is a really, really overplayed thing. I wouldn't be too stressed about it at all. And a lot of traders in real life trading have been prepared and prepped for that, buying the dip, being in bullish, and taking advantage of these moves, which is just fantastic. Love that that's happening, and I'm really, really excited about it. All right, last but not least, U.S. Steel. U.S. Steel still getting torn to bits. No idea when this thing's going to recover, and it might. But looking at the monthly chart, it is down, down, down. Now we are at some support. We're down here, so there's a possibility that U.S. Steel could bounce, but just keep an eye on it. I don't see anything too bullish on it yet. If you are getting in long, sure, I understand. It's been around for forever, and is it going to go to zero? Probably not. That kind of be relatively shocking, but anything is possible. So just be cognizant of the fact that, yes, we can go lower on U.S. Steel. I don't have any position on it right now. Just sitting back, chilling, seeing what's going to happen. So remember, folks, you can request any stock that you want me to look at in the comment section below. I'd be happy to review anything that you want me to check out. I do the afternoon swing trading room every single day. And we're going to go pour in. Look at all these stocks we're about to look at in the afternoon room. Check that out. All of this is coming up on Energy Wednesday today. Anyway, it's a great place to be. Friday, I'll be doing another trade review, broadcasting live from New York as I'll be attending the Trader Expo. And make sure you pop over to reallifetraining.com. We do have a brand new website. Feel free to pop in, try to break it, try to learn something, try to find a new course or new blog that you've never seen before. And also, as you're scrolling down, you'll notice that we do have upcoming events on this page now. So this is the expo that I'm going to this weekend. Of course, Money Grows on Trees, May 23rd, Modern Trading Summit in July, Nashville Trading Retreat in September. All kinds of good stuff coming your way, folks. Thanks so much for tuning in. You guys rock. I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. My email address is jeremy@reallifetraining.com. Love life, and trade. You guys rock. Bye.